Did you know that the tiny, peppery seeds hidden inside a papaya fruit are packed with more nutritional power than many superfoods you'll find on your grocery list? Most people scoop them out and toss them aside without a second thought, missing out on a simple, natural boost for digestion and immunity. But what if those little black seeds you've been throwing away could be the secret ingredient to better gut health and a stronger immune system? Today, we're unlocking the surprising world of the papaya seeds, a superfood that's been hiding in plain sight. Let's start with the basics. Papaya seeds might look small and unassuming, but they are bursting with nutrients that make them a true superfood. For centuries, traditional medicine across Asia, Africa, and South America has tapped into their healing properties. Yet, in many parts of the world, we're only just beginning to understand their full potential. What makes these seeds so special, and how can they become a powerful ally in your journey to better health? To understand the value of papaya seeds, it helps to look at the challenges so many of us face every day. Digestive issues are incredibly common. Bloating, indigestion, constipation, and irregularity can make life uncomfortable and diminish our quality of life. At the same time, a weakened immune system leaves us more vulnerable to colds, infections, and even chronic illnesses. Our fast-paced lifestyles, processed foods, and constant stress take a toll on both these critical systems. So, finding natural, effective ways to support our digestion and immunity has never been more important. Now, let's dive into the nutritional treasure chest inside papaya seeds. These seeds are loaded with powerful enzymes, especially papain, a proteolytic enzyme that helps break down proteins in the digestive system. This means papain doesn't just help the papaya fruit ripen. It actually assists your body in digesting food more efficiently, reducing the burden on your gut and easing discomfort like bloating and gas. But that's not all. Papaya seeds also contain a compound called carpane, which has been shown to support gut health and may help eliminate harmful parasites. In traditional remedies, papaya seeds have long been used to treat intestinal worms and cleanse the digestive tract. Beyond enzymes, papaya seeds are a potent source of antioxidants. They contain polyphenols and flavonoids, compounds that protect your body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants are crucial for a healthy immune system, as they neutralize free radicals that can damage cells and lower your resistance to illness. The seeds also provide healthy fatty acids, such as oleic acid, which support heart health and further strengthen immune function. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of papaya seeds is their antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Several studies have found that extracts from papaya seeds can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus, and Salmonella. This means that by incorporating papaya seeds into your diet, you're not just supporting digestion, you're actively helping your body defend itself against infections and harmful pathogens. Still not convinced? Let's look at some compelling scientific evidence. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers investigated the effect of papaya seed extract on children with intestinal parasites. The results were remarkable. After just 7 days, 76.7% of the children treated with papaya seed extract were parasite-free, compared to only 16.7% in the placebo group. Not only did the seeds effectively clear the parasites, but they did so without any significant side effects. This study is a powerful testament to the seed's ability to improve gut health and keep our digestive system in balance. Another study, published in the journal Food Chemistry, highlighted the strong antioxidant activity of papaya seeds, showing that their polyphenol and flavonoid content can significantly reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. By lowering inflammation and protecting against cell damage, papaya seeds help lay the foundation for a resilient immune system that can ward off everyday illnesses and support long-term health. So, how can you add these nutritious seeds to your daily routine? Papaya seeds have a slightly bitter, peppery flavor, similar to black pepper. You can eat them fresh, straight from the fruit, or dry and grind them to use as a seasoning for salads, smoothies, soups, or even sprinkled over your morning toast. Just remember, moderation is key. Start with a small amount, such as half a teaspoon per day, and gradually increase as your body gets used to the new addition. Let's recap what we've learned today. Papaya seeds are an often overlooked superfood, loaded with digestive enzymes like papain, antioxidants such as polyphenols and flavonoids, and beneficial fatty acids. They help break down proteins, reduce bloating, and support a healthy gut by fighting off parasites and harmful bacteria. Their impressive antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties also make them a powerful ally for your immune system, helping your body stay resilient against infections and inflammation. And with scientific studies backing up their effectiveness, there's never been a better time to give papaya seeds a try. Nature has given us a tiny but mighty superfood, tucked inside every papaya. The next time you slice open this vibrant fruit, think twice before tossing those little black seeds away. Instead, unlock their potential and make them a part of your wellness journey. Your digestive system and immune health will thank you. If you found this information helpful and want to discover more natural ways to boost your health, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and insights into the amazing world of superfoods and holistic wellness.